Good morning.
Good morning, sir. My name is Isa Biison. I'm 26 years old. I'm single. I'm high school graduate. I don't have any experience as a domestic helper, but I know how to do all the household chores such as cooking, cleaning the house, washing, and ironing the clothes.
Okay, and Isa, do you have any experience in taking care of children?
Yes, sir. I have experience taking care of children.
And how old is the child?
4 years old, sir.
4 years old. And for how long did you take care of the child?
4 years, sir.
4 years also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 2 brothers and I have 2 sisters.
And you are the?
Eldest among the girls, sir.
Among the girls.
Yes, sir.
How many boys?
2 boys, sir.
Two boys. Okay,
Yes,
sorry.
sir.
And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family and to save money for my future, sir.
Okay, Isa, are you willing to take care of dogs and cats?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of big dogs?
No, sir.
You're not.
Yes, sir.
And can you sing a children's song for us?
Yes, sir. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Boys and girls, come and sing with me. Come and sing A, B, C.
Okay. And what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please select me because I am a hardworking, kind, honest, joyful, and friendly person.
Thank you very much, Miss Isa Ison, and I hope to see you in Hong Kong.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.